Right. So this is super duper awesome, Mister. Get up, pops. Let's go. So we've been studying perimeters of shapes yeah of shapes but in grids. But now uh let's see perimeters of rectangles and squares. But first off, let's just try to solve these questions. So of course you remember that perimeter is just the total, right, length of all the sides. So that means this, this right here, plus this, and plus this, right? So we're going to solve the perimeter of all these shapes. Is that okay? So this would be 10, this plus this plus this plus this. So just add them together. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So those are like four tens. This is a square. It's a square because all the sides are equal. So you have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That equals 40, right? 40 centimeters. Always remember the units. 40 centimeters. Oopsie. Went off. Yeah, that's 40. Now B. So you're just doing 12 plus 12 plus 3 plus 3, right? 12 plus 12 is 24. 24. 3 plus 3 is 6. 24 plus 6, that's 30. 30 centimeters. Good job. Now for this triangle, you're just doing 6 plus 6 plus 10. 6 plus 6 plus 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. So 22 centimeters for that. Uh-oh. Don't go away now. All right, this one. This is a trapezoid, right? So 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. 7 plus 5 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 12 plus 12, 24. All right, 24 centimeters. Now for these ones, you notice that two sides are not given, right? But they're given because this is rectangle. So opposite sides of rectangles are equal. So if this is 15, this place will also be 15 centimeters. So if this place is 5, this will also be 5 centimeters. So you're good to go. So that gives you 15, 15 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5. So 15 plus 15 is 30. 5 plus 5 is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. So that's 40 centimeters. All right, same with this. Here is also 6 centimeters. Here is 10 centimeters. So you have 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6. 10 plus 10, 20. 6 plus 6, 12. 20 plus 12, that's 32. 32s. Now for this is a square, and we know that all the sides of a square are equal. So if this is 6, this is also 6, this is also 6, this is also 6. So there are 4 6, right? So 6 plus 6 plus 6, so that's like 4 times 6. And that equals 24. Now this is an equilateral triangle, right? So meaning all the sides. This line means the sides are equal. So this is 7. This is also 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7. That's like 3 times 7, and that's 21. So 21 centimeters, I mean centimeters, yeah. Now, but let's see if there's a formula to calculate perimeter of rectangle. So we want to work out its perimeter. So what do we know about rectangles, right? We know that opposite sides of a rectangle rather are equal in length. So if this line is opposite to this line. So if this is 10, this will also be 10 centimeters, right? So yeah, 10 centimeters, and that also 6 centimeters. So perimeter equals 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6, right? Of course. And we could do it another way, easier method. So 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6, right? Or since there are two tens, right, we could do 2 times 10 plus, and then there are two 6, 2 times 6, right? That makes a lot of sense, right? Yeah. Or we could do, since there are two of this, we could add, this is my favorite, right? We could do, there are two, 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10, there are two of them. So we can do 6 plus 10, right? Times 2. That also works, right? Okay. Now, I could help you with the perimeter of a rectangle. So we could say perimeter is, length. Let's say this is length and this is width, right? L plus L plus W plus W. So this is also L, right? This is W. Now, since we have two L's, right? Two L plus and then two W's, right? So we could just add this and this. That's L plus W two times, right? Two times of L and W, L plus W. So we could say perimeter equals, you could use this method, perimeter equals 2 times L plus W, where L is the length, right? And then W is the width. Some call it breadth, but fine. Now, let's use this to calculate this now. Our L here will be 10 and our W will be 6. So we could say 2 times 10 plus 6. And that's 2 times 10 plus 6 is 16. And that gives us 32. 32 centimeters. So in your head, you can just do it. I just add length and width together and then multiply your answer by 2, right? It's easy. All right, so let's apply that here. So we can do 5 plus 9, right? Remember, 2 times L plus W. So 5 plus 9, L is 5, W is width is 4. So 5 plus 4, sorry, is 9. And then 2 times 9, that's 18, right? Simple, very easy. 18 centimeters. The same with this. Um, 2 times L plus W. L plus W is 7 plus 4. And 7 plus 4 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. So that's 22 centimeters. Easy peasy. You can even do it mentally. All right, try this one all by yourself. Remember, perimeter is L 2 times L plus W. Make sure you do your L plus W first before you multiply by 2. That's 7 plus 8 or 8 plus 7, whichever way. So 2 times 7 plus 8 is 15, right? And then 2 times 15 is 30. For this one has decimal. So we could do this. It's still the same. We could do 2 times L plus 2 times W. So 2 times L is 2 times 12 plus 2 times 0.5. 0.5 is half. So when you 2 halves is 1. So 2 times 12 is 24. And then 2 times half is 1. And that gives you 25. So 25 centimeters. Ooh, easy peasy, right? All right, let's have some more tasks. I'm going to share. I'm going to stop sharing this. And let's go here. Let's have some more. Oh, done. Okay, so we have this. Remember, the length is area perimeter rather L plus W. See? Forgot that, right? What's up? Okay, so I can't clean this. Why? Okay, I can do times 2, right? So, 9L is 9, so just do 9 plus 3, then times 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 times 2, and that's 24. So this is 24 centimeters, right? The next one, those, you see, 2 times 6 plus 4, right? 6 plus 4 is 10, so 2 times 10 is 20. So this is 20 centimeters. Ooh, ooh. Now the next one, this is a square. Now for a square, since all the sides are equal, this also will be 7. So how many sides does a square have? 4, right? So perimeter of square, you can write this is PL plus L plus L plus L. So that's 4L, which is the same as 4 times L. So you don't need all of them. You just need one. So for this one, we could say 4 times. L is 7 here. 4 times 7. And that gives you 28 centimeters. Yeah, it's pretty easy, right? Stick this on the side. Then for this one, perimeter equals 2 times L plus W. L is 10, W 4. That's 2 times 14. And 2 times 14 is what? 28. So this equals 28 centimeters. It's pretty easy, right? All right, so thank you. You can try some on your own. Have a beautiful day. This is super duper awesome, Mr. Catapop. So remember the area, I mean the perimeter of uh for rectangle, it's P equals L plus W, 2 times L plus W. And then for a square, 4 times L. All right. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Bye.